a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is education. Question number 1. Do you work or study? I study. Question number 2. What are you studying? I'm learning English because it's one of the most widely spoken and used languages in the world. This enables me to effectively communicate with the larger global audience and assist people with language-related queries or tasks. Furthermore, English is the dominant language in fields such as business, academia, and technology. Being proficient in English can provide numerous opportunities for personal and professional growth. Question number 3. What was your favorite subject as a child? Math was always my favorite subject when I was a kid. I appreciated the excitement of overcoming challenges and the sense of accomplishment that came with finding answers. Question number 4. What is your favorite subject now? My favorite subject right now is English because I love the opportunity to express my creativity and explore different forms of writing. I also enjoy learning about the history of literature, which helps me gain a better understanding of the world around me. Question number 5. Why did you choose that subject? I chose to study English because it was crucial to my success. I've always tried to express myself in English. I can also speak English with people from many cultures and languages. English is flexible, so I can read, write, and communicate in many situations. In conclusion, learning English has opened up a world of possibilities, allowing me to meet people from around the world, share my opinions, and form genuine relationships. Question number 6. Did you go to a co-educational school? I did not go to a school that allowed both genders to attend. To feel more at home, I enrolled in a school for only one gender. In the absence of distractions from the opposite sex, I was able to study more effectively. I didn't have to worry about the kinds of things that can arise in a co-ed school, so I could focus on my studies without distraction. Question number 7. Do you describe yourself as a good student? If you ask me, I'd say that I'm a pretty good student. I make it a priority to give my studies my best effort and to maintain a level of organization that allows me to stay on top of my work. In addition to that, I make an effort to keep myself motivated and focused on my objectives. Question number 8. What do you like about your study? I appreciate being able to work at my own pace and schedule my schoolwork around my other commitments. It's great that I can expand my knowledge in areas that aren't covered in class. Question number 9. Who was your favorite teacher? Miss Pinky was one of my favorite teachers. She was my 6th grade language arts teacher, and she always had a positive attitude and was very encouraging. She made learning fun and interesting, and she always made me feel like I could accomplish anything. She was also very patient and understanding, which I greatly appreciated. Question number 10. What do you dislike about your study? I don't like having to study a lot and always know what's going on in my classes. I also don't like how some of my classes are online and I can't always talk to my professor as much as I could in a traditional classroom. Question number 11. What are your ambitions for the future? My plans for the future are to keep learning and growing as a person, build strong relationships, get financially stable, and help other people. I'd also want to travel around the world and learn about different cultures, as well as discover new opportunities and make a positive difference in the world. Question number 12. Do you enjoy studying alone or with friends? It depends. I find that studying alone is more productive for me, but studying with friends can be more enjoyable and help me stay motivated.